Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will going to teach you how to make a compound interest calculator by using Python. First of all, we imported the module named Tinker, then pillow module from image and image tiki for background image that we have taken for our GUI. Before that, we have also imported the Loki module for the currency pattern. First, then we have imported a Indian format of this currency, Indian. And then we have created a function for clearing all the data of entry boxes that we have taken, like principal field, rate field, delete, time field, and compound field that you have made, and principal field as 0 set. Before that, let's see how this was made. First of all, we have added the if driver code, then create a UI window, set the name of the GUI, compound interest calculator, geometry of 1200 by 1200, and the background image that you can see right here. That let's see how this was. Okay, before it comes, I will explain to you how this label and these packing labels are used. These labels are needed to create a basic function for taking the compound interest, like principal value is needed, how much value you will give to the fund or anything that you are wanting to give, at what rate that you are expecting, for how much time that you wanted to invest, and the interest that you have got through it. Okay, so these are the entries in front of them, entry, and these are the back in the grid format. Then we have created our two buttons like submit, which will calculate the all of the compound interest value for your reference, and clearing all of the stuff. Okay, so let's see how this is working. Like, we can take money as 5,000 by, let's assume we have the 12% interest rate. We want to invest it for 30 years. And then we will submit like this. Like, you can see how much money it has given. 1,49,799.61 paisa, like that. So let's see how this was calculated in our code. First of all, we have taken the values from the entry box, like principal, rate, and time. Then we have calculated compound interest by writing this formula of compound interest, which will include the value like principal value multiplied by 1 plus rate upon 100 comma time. And then we have added a format of currency of India. Then we have add in the format of how we have seen. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. Make sure that you like and subscribe my video